The one who pokes with one finger. The one that doesn't play with the slime. The one who talks too much. So like this slime is really good, and like I got it from like I don't know where, but like I made it and it's like really good. I love it. It's like really satisfying too. Don't you love how good I am at ASMR? Like I'm getting better. Like I know, right? The one that moves the camera too much. The one that doesn't pop the bubbles. The one that doesn't really poke. The one with background noise. When they stop for a screenshot every 5 seconds. When they have to keep it too close. And their hand covers up the slime. The aggressive one. The one who just, rubs it around. The one who plays with the slime off camera. Real slime ASMR. Sorry, I don't have my kickstand. Yeah, the background music is on purpose, don't worry. Should we do more of these videos? I don't know. Let's ask the audience. Okay, thanks for watching. Tell me what kind of videos I should do more. Bye. Man.